Do you have terabytes or even petabytes of data flowing into your data warehouse every day? Do you struggle with ways to efficiently keep your dimensions and fact tables updated? Join me today as we discover the mysteries of merge statements. I'm Chris Gamble. This is my channel. Join me as I take you through the complexities of data engineering and boil them down so that you can easily understand them. If you're a data enthusiast or looking to change into a data career, then join me and like and subscribe as I give you the knowledge and tools to achieve your dreams. Today's new tool, Merge. You'll find out that Merge is a powerful tool in your tool belt. Merge can insert, update, and delete all in one transaction. Merge works particularly well when moving data from your staging tables into your production tables. To learn more about data architecture, such as staging and production, be sure to check out the link in the upper right hand corner. Let's break down our different parts. Here's our merge statement. So today we have a customers table and our staging.customers table. Your first step in the merge statement is to identify your target. In this case, our target is our production customers table. Next step, identify your source. Our source is our staging customers table. To put it simply, our target is the final destination of where our data is going to land, and our source is where the data is coming from. Similar to a from statement, the next piece is your comparison. So we use the on keyword and we compare the customer ID from the staging table to the customer ID in the production table. This tells the merge statement what to match on when looking to determine if it needs to perform an update, delete, or an insertion. Next, we get into the real power of a merge statement. But first, write down in the comments, what are your frustrations that you currently have with data integration and updating records? The power of the merge. Our next statement is when matched, you're telling the statement what you want to do when the IDs do match between the staging table and your production table. Here we use an update statement to set the values in the target table based on the values that are in your staging table.
But Chris, what if they don't match?
Glad you asked. Our next statement is when not matched by target. What this says is if it's in the source table but not in your target table, then we're going to perform an action. Generally, that's going to be an insert. So we'll use an insert statement to insert the values from the source table or your staging table and put them in your target table or your production table. Finally, not matched by source. Because we're dealing with staging tables and production tables, a lot of times we're doing incremental loads, and this particular statement's not needed. However, if you're pulling the full table from the source every time and putting it into your staging table, then this is applicable. You may drop a record. You may update a record to indicate that it's no longer active, or potentially you may skip this piece altogether. It's optional. It's not required. Let's talk about a real Wordle. Let's talk about a real world example. Say that you own your own consulting company and you have a leads table. You're pulling it from Salesforce every day and you're updating your data warehouse with your lead information. In this case, you can effortlessly use the merge statement to combine the data from your Salesforce information that you put into your staging table into your production table, thus keeping all of your reporting and data up to date and accurate. Now you know how to use a merge statement to insert, update, or delete records. I hope you enjoy this new weapon in your arsenal. If you get a chance to use it, be sure to write down in your comments what your experiences are. I'm Chris Gamble. This is my channel, Gamble Data Engineering. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you've missed our pivot query video, be sure to check that out. And if you're looking for data engineering concepts, be sure to check out this playlist. You've had fun with data.